Oh, welcome, guys. Today we are going to learn how we can convert decimal hours into minutes and seconds in time. Okay, how we can convert the decimal hours into time, how we can convert the decimal minutes into time, and how we can convert the decimal seconds and time. Okay, so come to the data set and let me explain you all these data here, and then we will go to calculate all these stuff I have just told you. Okay, so if you can see here we have the decimal hours, 11.7 hours. Okay, and we want to convert it into hours and minutes. Okay, so how we are going to do it, because this is almost the 11.7 hours. So if we want to convert it into minutes, hours and minutes, how we can do it, we will just press the equal sign and select this cell and divide it by 24. Okay, 24, because we have the day night time is equivalent to the 24, or one day and night is equivalent to 24. That's why we will calculate it, sorry, we will divide it by the 24. Okay, so this is 11.422, 11 hours and 42 minutes. Here it was 11.7 uh, 11.7 hours, but now if we want to make it very specific, it is equivalent to 11 hours and 42 minutes. Okay, and if you want to calculate for all these data, we will just double click this one, and now we have everything here. Okay, so this is how you can convert the decimal hours into hours and minutes. And the second thing which we have here, for example, here this one, these are the decimal minutes, 498.42 minutes, and we want to convert it into minutes and seconds. Okay, and it is again very easy. We have to press equal, select this cell, and now we have to divide it by the 1440. Okay, why 1440? Because in 24 hours we have 1442 minutes. Okay, that's why we will divide it by 1440 minutes. Okay, so it means 8 hours and 18 minutes. Okay, the 498.42 minutes is equivalent to 8 hours, 8 minutes and 18 seconds. 8 minutes and 18 seconds. And this one are the remaining part. If you want to do it, all these things are here. Okay, 788.27 minutes are equivalent to 13 minutes and 08 seconds, and likewise all these things. Okay, and here we have decimal seconds. Okay, these are the seconds, not the minutes. 412.82 seconds, and here we have 490.47 seconds, and we want to denote all these seconds into minutes and seconds. So what we are going to do, press the equal sign, select this cell, divided by 86,400. Okay, why 86,400? Because in 24 hours we have 86,400 seconds. Okay, divided. Now, these 412.82 seconds are equivalent to 6 minutes. Okay, and if we want to do it for here, okay, and I will just double click it. Yes, guys. So, 6 minutes, 2 minutes or something. This one, 142, if I'm not wrong, and this one 220 seconds are equivalent to 3 minutes. But I think we are doing something wrong. I think no, it's okay, it's okay. And here is 1 minute, this is the 8, this is the 2, and this one is 3. Okay, so this is the way how can you convert it into the decimal hours, minutes and seconds into minutes, hours and complete time. Okay, um, I hope it helped you, and you got it very well, because it was very easy. So please Guys, like our video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.